Hey guys, Andrew here again from Sandgate Auto Electrics. Today we got the 79 series Land Cruiser in for a bit of further work. You would have seen this in one of our older videos. We did a blind hot water system and a little bit of work on this vehicle. Today the customer's brought it in for some ClearView mirrors, the next gen model. We're also going to go through and wire up a 12-pin trailer plug and a grey Anderson plug to suit his new Caravan that he's bought. And we're going to go through and work out some cameras for him. He's got an Alpine aftermarket head unit in the vehicle, and we're going to go through and put in a couple of three-way switches and so that he can select which camera he wants while he's in reverse, or he can have the Caravan camera on while he's travelling to see what's behind him. So we'll go through that. We'll show you some photos and some videos while we're going along, and we'll show you how we go. Okay, so as I said, we've got the next gen ClearView mirrors here. So the top section of the mirror here is electronically adjusted by a switch in the dash. Fits into a factory little grommet in the dash there, just clips in, looks factory. You can select left or right and adjust up, down, left or right on your mirror there. And then when you're towing, you just simply pull these out and it gives you a good clear view of the Caravan you're towing.